Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's. I got a situation going on here where I'm changing out my daughter's battery. I wanted to show you that. I just put the new battery in. There's the old battery there. This battery says EFB on it because you have an auto start stop system here. An AGM battery is going to work just fine, but you need to make sure that the AGM battery gets programmed. So we're going to go ahead and close the hood here. And I'm at home here, so I'm going to do this with one hand here. And don't mind my daughter's dirty Jetta here. We're going to close this up, put that back in place there, shut the hood, and then we're going to come around and take a look here. Now I got all these lights on the dash. Everything's in an error code. So I got start stop. I've got rear traffic alert. I've got all kinds of things showing up here. It's lit up like a Christmas tree. So to clear the codes, what I'm going to do, turn the wheel all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and then back, and then I'm going to shut the car off, and then I'm going to start it up again, and it should clear my lights. No, it didn't do it there. So we're going to try one more time. All the way to the left, all the way to the right, and then back. I think it cleared them. Well, let's see. We're going to stop the car, start it again. Everything lights up, goes through all the checks. Boom. All of your lights are clear. Welcome, Faith. This used to be Faith's driver car. So this is now Skylar's car. I hope this tip has helped you. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day. And as well as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.